floral. Madam Imelda, meron naman siguro. Okay, branded by Wayne Cooper. Ang ganda ng print. Branded by Wayne Cooper, size large po. Ay, Diyos ko, grabe. Oh. Okay. Size large, branded by Wayne Cooper. 680, code ako dito ng, grabe. Code bongga. 680 bongga, mga madam. Size large to semi-XL. Namay na to, Miss Tammy. Size large sana ito. Madam Weng, yours na si White Floral. Miss Weng, 123, 123, yours na to. Ay! May self-tie. Branded by Glasson, small med. Cotton linen, mga madam. Napaka-sexy. Zipper back is small med. Kasya-kasya sa akin, ha. Self-tie, small, medium. Branded by Glasson. Code ako dito ng self-tie. 680 self-tie. 680, code is self-tie. Andiyan pa ba yung mga extra small natin? Oh, corset style. Oh. Branded by Pretty Little Thing. Extra small to small. Size US4. Me, asan ka na? Madam Mary Ann. Corset style, my God. Branded by Pretty Little Thing. Code ako pretty, 680. Extra small to is small, mga madam. Code is pretty. Code ng pretty, mga madam. Ay, ang ganda naman nito, B. Size large, mga madam. Oh my God. Cotton linen again. Size large, branded by Nobody's Child. Linen yan, mga madam, ha. Pabastir. Kita nyo yung cut. Size large, mga madam. Code Polka. Linen to, ha. Polka 680. Polka 680. Annalisa Amuin. Bongga me, yours na. Madam Annalisa, 123, 123, yours na to. DL Pretty, Miss Helen. Ganda naman nun, B. Okay, Miss Helen, yours na si Pretty. Excuse me. Miss Helen, yours na si Pretty. 123, 123, yours na to. Okay, next one. Ano gusto yung color? Ay, ganda nito. Oh, eyelet. Branded by New Look. Ang ganda. Size medium po. Branded by New Look, ha. Ayan. Pa-eyelet siya pero double lining, mga madam. Best fit medium. Ganda. Best fit medium, small medium, branded by New Look. Code ako eyelet 680. Eyelet 680, ang ganda. Eyelet siya, ha, pero double lining yung sa may body niya. Code ng eyelet 680. Eyelet for 680 pesos. Okay, next, branded by Mango, small. Extra small to small, branded by Mango, mga madam. Oh my God, ang ganda. Extra small to small lang, branded by Mango. Super cotton to. Code ako, banana. 680 banana. Branded by Mango. Code is banana.